According to a new planet hunting algorithm, at least 9% of nearby stars may harbor planets that are orbiting outside of our line of sight, and the chemistry of the stars may help us identify these worlds. Natalie Hinkle, a planetary astrophysicist at the Southwest Research Institute in San Antonio, and her colleagues used a database of hundreds of stars and their chemical compositions to train a machine learning system. Over 4,200 stars in the dataset, which included stars within 500 light-years of the Sun, were assumed to lack big planets, whereas 290 were known to possess them. The program started by examining the chemistry of the stars that support planets. The algorithm then calculated the likelihood that each of the stars in the other group truly does contain planets, based on what it had learnt about those astronomical objects. According to Hinkle, it functions similarly to how Netflix and other online TV streaming services determine which TV series to recommend to users. She claims that if she watches a lot of movies, Netflix will discover her preferences for science fiction, action, and British period pieces. The computer then makes use of this information to find other shows that she would enjoy, i.e., stars with undiscovered planets. These 368 extra stars, or nearly 9% of the stars assumed to be devoid of planets, were shown to have a greater than 90% chance of hosting a massive exoplanet. She remarks, "That was considerably more than I was expecting." Iron, carbon, oxygen, and sodium were the stellar elements that most accurately predicted the existence of a prospective planet. However, it seemed that the ratios of those components to one another were more important than simply having a lot of each. According to Hinkle, the interactions between the components in a planet-forming disk orbiting a star likely influence planet formation in a manner similar to how ingredients in a cake interact to cause a rise. We will bring new and exciting news and updates from around the world every Monday and Friday, sometimes on Wednesdays. So stay connected by subscribing and pressing the bell icon. Also, don't forget to smash that like button. Your support is extremely valuable to us to carry on, so that we can keep bringing the most important and exciting news that really matters.